Now your ABC 7 First Alert weather forecast with Chief Meteorologist Bob Harrigan.
Well, we have the First Alert forecast and the radar picture showing not much going on right now. Most of the showers east of the area. There's been one or two lone showers, not much going on as a result of some drier air. You'll see that in a minute. Once in a while, we get a little heat of kind of consolidating, and that creates just enough lift to produce a few isolated showers, but not a lot going on. And it looks as though this is becoming a little bit better organized. This is GERT. We'll talk a little bit more about this. This system is expected to stay away from the U.S. coast there as far as making any kind of landfall. And we're watching this tropical air down to our south right now. This has some potential for bringing us some rainfall down a little bit later. That dry air you can see is in place right now all across the region. That dry air will stick around too through Tuesday, and then things start to change a little bit. And as far as the enhanced satellite imagery goes, we are looking at some showers and some weather out here in the Atlantic. This system has some potential, about a 60% chance of becoming the next system. Again, if we could again show you the showers and storms that are around as far as that goes, we are looking at the wind flow analysis, and that is showing the wind's going to be light and variable as we move through time, again, on in through the day on Tuesday. So the storms, if they do develop at all, will be few and far between. Now look at the tower cam right now, getting ready for a beautiful sunset tonight. And it looks as though it's going to be, for the most part, rain-free. As I said, there's one or two lone showers that are possible, but not a lot of activity expected to go on with this dry air in place. But beautiful out there currently, and it looks as though we will see a nice evening. And with temperatures will be on the warm side, however. Well, some photos sent in, and this one from Arcadia. There's one lone shower there. As you can see, Paul was driving across the state, and he snapped this and sent it in to pics@mysuncoast.com. Appreciate that. And Carol Baker had that one from Turtle Rock. As far as the Casey Key webcam goes, you can see calm conditions out there. Seas running less than 2 feet, mostly smooth. So if you have any boating plans or even a day at the beach, don't expect any kind of rough waves or no rip current worries with area beaches right now. Evening planner checks in like this. We'll see generally partly cloudy skies to mostly fair conditions. Temperatures, though, in the low 80s. I miss those afternoon showers and storms. They have a tendency to cool us down into the mid-70s and create pleasant conditions. Then we get that east wind overnight, bringing in some cooler air. With this west wind, however, it's water temperature now at 91 degrees, and the air flowing over it keeps things very warm and muggy overnight. A few showers well offshore, but not a lot going on. Again, I mentioned the isolated showers well inland east of the interstate. There's one that just popped up just east of Arcadia and a few just to the west of Wauchula at this point. Well, as far as we're concerned, we are anticipating the dry air to stick around. It's really going to continue to move in across our area over the upcoming 24 hours, and then things start to change a little bit. 88 degrees right now, heat index at 99, and the dew point temperature way up there at 76. The high today, pretty close to average, 91. 71 was the, or 77 was the morning low. I wish it was 71. Here's the forecast then for boaters. Looks like this. We'll see winds out of the west at 10 knots. Seas running less than 2 feet with a light chop out there in the bays and inland waters. The water temperature now at 91 degrees, and the forecast tides upcoming 6:53 just in a few minutes from now. Sunset will be just after 8. Warm and muggy tonight, 79, and then tomorrow 91. Just a 20% chance for a few coastal showers in the morning, then mainly inland in the afternoon. That rain chance still very low, and then it starts to pick up Thursday, and the rain chances could actually bump higher depending upon this mid-level low that's expected to move in across the state on through the weekend. Back to you.